Hey everyone, welcome to TechWise Tutorials. Today I'm diving into something that has everyone buzzing: artificial intelligence. Yeah, AI. It's no longer just science fiction, it's here, and it's transforming everything around us. So, let's break it down into bite-sized pieces. First up, what is AI? Think of AI as the brain power behind machines. It allows them to learn, adapt, and make decisions just like us humans. From Siri helping us find the nearest pizza place to self-driving cars navigating through traffic, AI is making our lives easier and smarter. Next, let's dive into the types of AI. There are mainly three types: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI is everywhere, like chatbots and recommendation systems on Netflix. General AI is the stuff of sci-fi movies where machines think and reason like humans. And super AI? That's the futuristic, all-knowing AI that could potentially surpass human intelligence. But don't worry, we're not there yet. Now let's talk about how AI works. At its core, AI relies on data and algorithms. Data is the fuel, and algorithms are the engines. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is the process where these algorithms learn from data. Picture it like teaching a child to recognize cats. The more examples you show, the better they get at identifying them. Then we have deep learning, which is like machine learning on steroids. It uses neural networks mimicking the human brain to analyze patterns and make decisions. This is how AI can do incredible things like translating languages instantly or even creating art. But what about the ethical side of AI? It's crucial! As we integrate AI into more aspects of our lives, we need to ensure it's fair, transparent, and respects our privacy. Think about facial recognition. It needs to be accurate and unbiased to prevent misuse. The key is to develop AI responsibly. Finally, how can you get started with AI? There are amazing resources out there. Websites like Coursera, Udacity, and even YouTube tutorials can help you dive into AI, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to advance your skills. Start experimenting with simple projects and gradually move on to more complex ones. And that's it for today's crash course on AI. Remember, AI isn't just for tech giants, it's for everyone. So why not start exploring and see how you can harness its power? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to TechWise Tutorials, and let me know in the comments what AI topics you want to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.